We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC 9340 printer. The problem we've been having is we're actually getting a replaced belt unit message. So we're going to show you how to replace that belt unit and how to reset the belt unit counter so that the printer knows there's a new part inside the machine. So it's a pretty simple process. I think everybody can handle it. We're just going to walk you through how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is actually to make sure the printer's left on. And with the printer on, what we're going to do is open up this main handle to get to where the toner and drums are located. And then we're going to have to take out all the toners and drums. And you want to make sure that you set them down on a clean, dry, flat surface, just so they're going to be safely stored while we change out that belt. So we're just going to set them down. And then once you get all the drums and toners out of the machine, you'll see a green handle right at the front of the printer. You're just going to reach in and you're going to grab that green handle and lift up and carefully pull the transfer belt out, or the belt unit out. You just want to be really careful whenever handling this. You don't actually want to touch anything on here other than the green handle. You don't want to get any oils or anything on there. If you do, it can cause a lot of print defects. So please just be very careful when removing and replacing your belt unit to keep your hands on the green handle. Once you have your new belt unit, you're just going to slide it back in and carefully set it all the way back in and lower that green handle until it kind of clicks down into place. And once that's installed, then we can go ahead and put in all of our drums and toners back inside of the machine. Making sure all of them go all the way back in and kind of click into place. And then we'll lower the top. So now we've replaced the belt unit. We're going to give the machine a second to kind of just run through its initialization process to come back to its ready state. And then once it comes back to a ready state, then we can go ahead and reset that counter. It usually only takes a second or two. There it goes. So it's telling me that I still need to replace that belt unit because it doesn't know that I've replaced it yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit the red X to get rid of that warning message. That's going to take us back to our main menu. And then you're on the top right hand of the screen, you're going to see a little wrench and a screwdriver icon. That's going to be for settings. Go ahead and click that. And then on the bottom right, you'll see a setting for all settings, or a button for all settings. Go ahead and click on that button. And then we're going to use the little up and down arrows to scroll down until you find your machine info tab. Go ahead and click on machine info. And then once machine info opens, you'll see the very last option is going to be parts life. So go ahead and select the option for parts life. And this is going to show you the percentage left on all of your drums, toners, belt unit, most of the consumables that your printer actually uses. But we actually want to reset that so it's back up to 100% for our belt unit since we just changed it. In order to do that, we're going to go over to where the numeric pad is on the side of your printer, and you're going to press and hold the pound sign until the menu comes up. It usually takes about 3 to 5 seconds, and that's going to bring up our reset menu. So now you're just going to scroll down until you find the belt unit option. You're going to select the belt unit, and it's going to ask you if you want to replace the belt unit. You're going to select yes, and then just like that, you're good to go and back up and print. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.